Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel for e-learning. In this video lecture, I am going to explain what is jigs and fixer, what are the basic elements present in jigs and fixer, what are the advantages of using jigs and fixer, and finally, what is the difference between jigs and fixer. So over the centuries, due to industrial development, we have better ways to produce goods or articles, that too to satisfy the customer's needs and wants. When the goods or articles are to be produced in large quantities, mass production or flow production will come into picture. The high degree of accuracy and interchangeability concept plays a vital role in mass production or flow production. Therefore, some specially designed toolings are used to produce goods or articles in large quantities with excellent accuracy and interchangeability. This specialized tooling consists of jigs, fixtures, special tools, and gauges. So with the help of these, we can bring down the production cost or manufacturing cost without sacrificing the high degree of accuracy. So let us discuss more on jigs and fixtures. As mentioned in the earlier slide, the current period trend is to manufacture the components in order to meet the basic requirements of accuracy, interchangeability, less product cost. So in order to achieve the aforesaid objectives, the following equipments are employed. So one is jigs, another one is fixer. So let us discuss what is jigs and fixer. The jigs and fixers are additional equipments which should be attached to the machine tool to fix and locate the workpiece and sometimes guiding the cutting tool too. So the jig may be defined as a device which holds the workpiece and locates the workpiece and guides the cutting tool for a specific operations. So normally jigs are not fixed to the machine tool. See, so this is a schematic diagram of jig. This is the workpiece. So the jig is used to hold and locate the workpiece. At the same time, the jig is used to guide the cutting tool. A fixer is a device which holds the workpiece and locates the workpiece during the manufacturing operations, sometimes during an inspection. The fixer does not guide the tool. See this picture. So this is the fixer is used to hold and locate the workpiece, but it does not guide the cutting tool. So fixers are usually clamped on the machine table to hold the work in the position. So let us see what are the various components or parts of jigs and fixer. So this is showing in figure. The basic elements are body, locating elements, clamping elements, positioning elements, indexing elements. So body, it is a plate, box or frame type structure in which the workpiece to be machined or located. Hence, it should be very strong and rigid. Locating elements are used to locate the workpiece in proper position with respect to cutting tool. Clamping elements is another part. These are used to fix the workpiece firmly in the located positions. Positioning elements normally is a fastening device which are used in securing the jigs and fixer to the machine at proper locations. So normally the positioning elements are used to fix the jigs and fixture on the machine table. Indexing elements are not provided always, but sometimes workpieces requires to perform machining operation in different location. In such case, workpiece should be indexed in different position. Hence, indexing element should be incorporated in the jigs and fixer. So these are the basic elements of jigs and fixers. Now let us discuss what are the advantages of using jigs and fixer. The first important advantage is reduction of setting up time, individual marking or positioning of the workpieces before machining on the machine table is completely eliminated. Hence, there is a reduction in setting up time. Machining accuracy is increased because the workpiece is automatically located. How the first part is located, the similar way the last part is also located, hence accuracy will be maintained. Productivity is increased because it eliminates the individual marking and positioning. Also, the jigs and fixers permit the use of high cutting speed, feed rate, and depth of cut during machining operations. Fourth advantage is skill reduction. So, of course, no need a skilled worker or labor for setting up the work. The fifth advantage is saving of labor cost because high skilled labor are replaced by unskilled labor because their work just involves loading and unloading. Then the sixth advantage is interchangeability and quality. Jigs and fixers facilitates the manufacturing of parts in large quantities with high degree of accuracy and interchangeability at the competitive cost. Then reduction on quality control and inspection expenditure is the next advantage. Of course, use of jigs and fixtures reduce the expenditure on quality control and inspection of the components or parts. And finally, automate to the lesser or greater degree. That means the use of jigs and fixers partially automate the machine tools. So these are the advantages of jigs and fixers. Now we'll see the difference between jigs and fixer. So jig is a work holding device that is used to hold and locate the workpiece and guides the tool for a particular operation. Whereas a fixer is a work holding device that used to hold and locate the workpiece and does not guide the tool for a particular operation. Jigs are usually not fixed to the table and often it is available in a portable and compact variant. The fixers are fixed on the table in order to provide the proper support to the workpiece. The jigs are lighter in construction. For quicker handling and clamping with the table is often not necessary, whereas fixers are heavier in construction and often it will be bolted rigidly on the machine table. Jigs are used usually in the machining process like drilling, reaming, tapping and counterboring process, whereas fixers are used in machining process like milling operation, planing, slotting, turning, grinding and shaping process. In addition to this, it is also used for assembly and inspection. No additional devices like block gauges is necessary for locating the tool with respect to workpiece, whereas additional accessories like block gauges are necessary to accurately move the tool to the desired locations. The standard parts like bushers, screws are mostly used in jigs for guiding the tool, whereas bushers are not used in fixtures. The construction and design of jig is complex to understand, whereas the design and construction of fixture is simple to understand. The jigs are expensive than the fixture, whereas the fixture cost is less than the jig. So this is the difference between jigs and fixture. So I hope you easily learned the basic concepts of jigs and fixtures. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel it is good, please like this video, subscribe this video and share this video. So once again, thank you very much.